What if I told you that you could run a YouTube channel that creates videos, uploads them, and even generates thumbnails completely on autopilot? No camera, no editing skills, no problem. Stay until the end because I'm revealing the exact automation that does this while you sleep. We've all been there. Creating YouTube videos is time-consuming. You have to script, record, edit, and upload. It feels like there's never enough time, right? But what if we could change all that? Introducing Faceless YouTube Automation, where you only need 3 tools and the magic lies in how they communicate. And Make.com, that's the brain of the entire operation. First up, tool number 1, OpenAI. It crafts video scripts automatically. Imagine having a scriptwriter that never sleeps, generating engaging content on any topic. Next, tool number 2, HeyGen. This tool creates the actual videos using AI avatars. It turns your text into professional quality videos. But here's where it gets really interesting. The big reveal, Make.com automation. This is the orchestrator that links everything together. Make.com triggers the whole workflow automatically. It fetches scripts from OpenAI, sends them to HeyGen, downloads the finished video, and uploads it directly to YouTube. Whether daily or weekly, you choose the schedule. Link to Make.com in description. This is the secret sauce, the true hands-free experience. Without Make.com, you'd have to do all this manually. But with it, we're turning a process into a system. Just like a conductor in an orchestra, one's guiding all elements to perfection. Imagine waking up to new subscribers and views from videos you didn't even create manually. If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel that runs automatically for you, comment YouTube below, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI automation tutorials. Intrigued? Because, wait, it gets better. The world of AI is unfolding, and putting these tools together can bring about a truly automated YouTube experience. Let's embrace this journey of innovation together.